Alright guys, this is the 2020 GT500. It is a little bit dirty right now. I just got done driving it back from a car show. But as you can see, there's absolutely no dents or dings. This thing is absolutely flawless. On these wheels, signature monoblock wheel. It's a bronze tint coat. These headlights were custom made one-off headlight. We painted the bezel right here the same color as the body. Got the Cobra etched into the lens. You can see it in there. And that has LEDs in both the tri-bars and inside the headlight. Okay, under the hood, we do have the LMT throttle body, JLT cold air intake, Joker's ported blower, and the Whipple heat exchanger brick, their manifold, and also the Whipple auxiliary pump. We do have the Griptec 2.5 pulley, and obviously the Nitrous Express nitrous kit. The Vision X fuel rails, ID 1300 injectors. This car does have a little over 1,000 horsepower. We'll go take it to the dyno tomorrow, give exact horsepower numbers on it. This car did have as an option the handling package, which gets you the canards. This is a oil separator, and the handling package also gets you the gurney flap. This one is also optioned with Recaro seats and the carbon fiber dash, chassis number 408. And believe it or not, from the factory, these things don't have perfect paint. So as soon as I got the car, I took it over and had paint correction done. That's the reason why this thing is so freaking shiny. After the paint correction, we did IGL coating, ceramic coating on it. Makes it to where it's very easy to keep clean. This thing does get washed very, very often. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. This paint really is flawless, guys. Look at that. $10,494 miles. These will go up as I do drive the car occasionally.